In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your text using Squarespace. Whether you're creating a blog, setting up a portfolio, or building an online shop, linking text is an essential skill that can really enhance your website's navigability and user experience. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is find the text block you'd like to link. Once you've located it, give it a click to select it. With your text in focus, you'll then want to look for the Edit button. This button typically appears as a small pencil icon right at the top of the text block. Go ahead and click on that. With the text block now in editing mode, the next step is to highlight the specific text that you'd like to turn into a link. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the text until it's fully highlighted. This lets Squarespace know exactly which part of the text you want to link. Once your text is highlighted, look towards the toolbar options and find the link icon. It usually resembles a small chain or link. Clicking this icon will open up a menu of different linking options for you. Here's where you can choose how you want to link your text. Squarespace offers several versatile options to link your text. You can insert a URL if you want to direct users to another web page. You could also choose to link to a file, which is useful for sharing downloadable content directly with your audience. Alternatively, you can opt to link an email, which will prompt a new email message when clicked. And finally, you can also link a phone number, making it convenient for mobile users to get in touch with you instantly. For this demonstration, let's try linking a file. Once you've chosen this option, you'll need to upload or select the file you wish to link. Make sure you double-check your selection to ensure it's the right file, as well as its accessibility settings, especially if you're offering downloadable content like PDFs or flyers. After you've made your choice and linked your text, you'll want to save your changes. Look for the Save option, usually at the bottom or top of the text editing menu, and click it. Once saved, exit the editing mode. To make sure everything is working correctly, let's go ahead and test the link. Click on the newly linked text to see if it opens the file you've selected or executes the desired action. As you can see, clicking the text should now automatically bring up the file or function you set up. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully linked text on Squarespace, making your website that much more interactive and user-friendly. Keep experimenting with different linking options to see what works best for your site. Thanks for watching and happy creating.